it's Naomi the Crafty Savage here, and I'm back with an Etsy store unbagging. So, I got this over on Etsy from Evergreen Yarn Studios. You know, I'm all about that yarn right now. So, I've seen people, you know, in different groups that I'm in, you know, posting about like hand-dyed yarn. And I checked it out and I'm like, that's a little expensive there. I don't know about that. And, you know, finally I decided, you know, I'm going to bite the bullet. They were having a sale. These were originally, I think, like $22 a skein. And one of them was $23. And I got them for, I believe it was like $17 or $18. So I was like, I'll give it a shot, you know, find out what all the hoopla is about. And I mean, the colors, I was like, holy hot damn, these are gorgeous, right? So, and I will say, I ordered this on a Sunday and I got it Wednesday. When I say like fast shipping, I was blown away. Now, she does have on her Etsy store ready to ship yarns, and that's what I picked. Or you could also opt for, oh my gosh, I'm gonna screw this up. What is it? Not a pre-order, but it's like if it's not available to, like, she doesn't have that color available, like ready to ship, you can request that color and she'll dye it. And I think on her Etsy store it says that it takes, you know, like if you go that route, then it takes like I think 2 to 3 weeks before it will even ship out to you, which is understandable, you know what I mean? So, but what I did love was all the little stickers on here. This one says, if it would just focus, why won't it focus? Anyway, right here, even though it won't focus, it says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. I'm like, yes, I'm all about that. On the back here, we have, thank you for supporting my small business. Okay, let's get into this and see what I got. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. Hopefully it was worth the money that I spent. We shall find out. I mean, from what I saw, the colors are absolutely beautiful. I'm trying to be very careful while cutting into this bag because I don't want to cut the yarn. I would say, I don't know, maybe like ship it in a box, but it probably is cheaper, you know, saving you money to ship it in this bag like this. But it's yarn. Like, what if I cut it the wrong way or I cut too deep in the bag? Okay, we got the back over. Crisis averted, right? So let's see. So in here, oh wow, she's smart. She sticks it in another bag. Do you see them colors? Do you see them? Okay, sorry about that. I got a phone call. But look at this weight. Now, she does have it where you can pick, like, if you want it, like, worsted or what weight you have. Now, in the ready to ship, she doesn't always have the what, like, weight if you want it, like, a fingering or worsted weight. I think this one, I got it in the worsted weight. You know what I mean? She has different types of yarn. So let's get in here. My invoice is right on the top, so we're just gonna move this over, right? So yes, I ordered it. Ooh, there's goodies and little extras that she threw in there. Oh my gosh, holy cow. Okay, so it's just a little thing that says thank you. Let's get into this. So it says care instructions. All of my yarn is dyed with the highest quality of dyes, and I rinse all yarns after dyeing to remove any excess dyes. But with all dyed products, indie and commercial, some late bleeding can occur. I strongly recommend washing your finished products separately in cold water. the first few times you wash it. If any light bleeding occurs, don't worry, it won't affect the brightness or intensity of the colors. Although this is a superwash wool which can be machine washed, it should not be put through the dryer. After washing, reshape your garments and lay flat to dry. Hand washing finished garments is recommended and can also extend their life. So that's pretty awesome. Oh, here we go. We care. Your order was mindfully packaged using eco-friendly materials in our ongoing efforts to support sustainability. Please reuse, repurpose, or recycle this package. That is awesome. And then look at this little like goodie. I wasn't expecting like a little goodie thing, but that's pretty freaking awesome. So let's see what she threw in here. Okay, we have a Warhead Extreme Sour Lemon. Looks like we have a sticker. It says Evergreen Yarn Studios. Let me see if I can get this light better. All right. Okay. Well, that's gonna fall. Dear Lord, baby Jesus, save us all. Alrighty, we have a thank you for your order. Use code. Yep. Receive $5 off your next purchase of $50 or more. Here is her card, Evergreen Yarn Studios. She's from Olympia, Washington. She's got a Facebook and I think Naomi. I believe that's Instagram. If not, don't come for me. I'm not with it today, all right? What else did we get? Oh, we got another little sticker, Evergreen Yarn Studios. That is awesome. What is this? Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a keychain. It's a keychain of a yarn. It says Evergreen Yarn Studios. That is freaking cool and awesome. All right, now what's in here? A little thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open this carefully. All right. What is it? It's a stitch marker. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. It's like a moon with some, I guess, like trees. That is freaking cool. That is like an awesome little like surprise. Look what we gave you. Okay, so let's get this all cleaned up real quickly. Get this back in its, well, you won't get it back in its home, but you get it, right? You get it. Okay, now let's get into this yarn, shall we? So I got 4 skeins. This one is called Trick or Treat. It's 100% superwash merino wool, 218 yards or 100 grams. And like, oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Look at that. It's hand dyed in Olympia, Washington. Hand wash separately in cold water and lay flat to dry. That is freaking awesome. But I like how it's got the like green and the black and the purple and the orange and the white, and it reminds you of Halloween. Now, after I checked out, I did see she also offered a service where she will wind the yarn, I think the yarn that you get, so you don't get it like in the hanks like this. I think it's like $3. So I think if I order from her again, that's what I'm gonna do. But oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Like, just look at that. Look at that green. Like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So freaking pretty, and it's soft. Oh my gosh, it is so freaking soft. Okay, moving along. This one, it reminded me, and I'm probably gonna have to get more of this, but this one is called Rockstar. Like, I love it. Like, you know, I love my Rockstar, my Fruit Punch Rockstars. But this is called Rockstar. It's evergreen worsted, 100% superwash merino, 218 yards, 100 grams. Again, the same thing, made in Olympia, Washington, hand washed separately in cold water, lay flat. But this like red and black color, like, whoo, this would be perfect for the Halloween horror blanket I'm making. It's very soft too. Like, I don't know, it reminded me of like Halloween horror with the blood and all that, and it's just like gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay, moving along. The next one that I got is called Prickly Pear. And I don't know what I'm going to use this for. I haven't decided yet. This would have gone great with my Slimer watermelon blanket. But I really, really love this color. This is, again, Prickly Pear. It's 100% superwash merino, 218 yards, 100 grams. But I just love how it's got like the pink and the green and the white. And you got like speckles of black that like, it almost like, doesn't remind me of a pear, but it kind of reminds me of like a watermelon. And it is like, oh, I love it. It's soft. Okay, moving along. Now this one, I could have ordered it as, because as you see, you know, all these other ones, I got the superwash merino. She did not have this color in the superwash merino, so I got it in a different weight. But I really like the color, and I could have ordered it like as like where she would, you know, dye it separately in the thing. But then I would have had to wait, you know, 2 to 3 weeks for them to dye it before I would have even gotten these three with the ready to ship. So if you order something that's like already ready to ship, but then order something that, you know, she's got to dye separately, your whole order won't go out until the other one does. So I was like, I don't want to wait that long. I mean, I could have, but I didn't want to, you know. So this one is called Haunted Halloween, and I love this color. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. I don't know. It kind of like reminds me of like Ursula or like a villain type of thing. But this one is called Haunted Halloween. It is a bumblebee slub sock, 90% superwash merino, 10% nylon. This one has 437 yards and is 100 grams. Let's see, is anything different? Hand dyed in Olympia, Washington. Hand washed separately in cold water and lay flat to dry. You can find her on Etsy, Facebook, Instagram. I should know this. I don't know where my brain went. It went away on vacation. But yes, with that like green and purple and black, and you got like little, just like tiny little like hints of pink. Oh my gosh, the camera is doing it no justice at all. And I've never worked with bumblebee slub sock yarn before. I mean, it's kind of like a thinner yarn. I can, believe me, I'll figure something out for it, you know, compared to the super or the merino wool. You know, like you can see the difference in the size there, but these colors are, oh my gosh, they are gorgeous. I'm definitely gonna have to be looking out for when she puts things on sale at her shop. And I mean, just the little extra goodies that you get as well, like you can't freaking beat it. So if you're into crocheting or knitting like I have been recently, go check out Evergreen Yarn Studios. I will have them linked down in the description box down below for you to go check out. She's got all different kinds of colors. Like, I could go broke with, you know, all the colors that I wanted, but I was like, we're just gonna try these, you know, and just kind of see, feel it out, see how it goes. But you know what, guys? With that said, I'm gonna hop on out of here. If you're new to the channel and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!